Hey everyone, your friend and active trader Mr. Pips Pay My Bills, Saul Lujan, also known as Mr. No Real Estate Investor Left Behind. I'm super excited that I had to make this video here today to talk about something that's truly transformed my trading game, PlexyTrade. Now I know what you're thinking, another trading platform. But stick with me because PlexyTrade isn't just any platform, it's your gateway to the powerful MT4 and MT5 systems. And let me tell you, these aren't your average trading tools. First off, PlexyTrade is rock solid. While other brokers might leave you hanging with unreliable systems or even lose access due to sketchy practices, PlexyTrade stands out with legit, uninterrupted access to both MT4 and MT5. That's right, you can trade Forex, stocks, crypto, you name it, all with up to 2,000 leverage. And the interface? Super user-friendly, whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned trader looking to optimize your strategies. But here's where it gets really exciting. When you trade with PlexyTrade, you're not just getting basic access. You're getting the best AI market scanners in the market for the last few years in a row and that MT4 Professional systems. These systems are a game changer with customized templates that elevate your trading to a whole new level. Now I'm a huge fan of customization and automation, but most of all simplicity, and that's something these professional systems nail perfectly. Whether you're into swing trading or scalping, you can tweak these tools to fit your style perfectly. Plus their AI-powered predictions, spot on. They've called major market moves like the crypto crash 2021, 2022, 2023 months ahead of time. It also has called Forex and Indices and precious metals and natural resources. Pretty much you can chart it on MP4 or MetaQuotes, you will get the alert. And let's not forget about the convenience of real-time notifications. Whether I'm at my desk or out and about, I'm always updated. Fast market analysis helps me make quick, informed decisions, crucial in trading where every second counts. You might wonder, are these tools legit? From my personal journey since 2020, using these systems has not only boosted my confidence but also my results. I've grown small accounts significantly and even started my own trading firm, Pips Pay My Bills Project Alchemy. These tools aren't just part of my trading strategy, they're at the core of my trading success. So if you're ready to seriously upgrade your trading, check out PlexyTrade. With MT4 Professional, you're not just trading, you're dominating. Click the link, join the trading revolution, and start trading smarter, not harder. Trust me, your future self will thank you. And that's it for today, folks. Remember, in trading, the right tools not only make a difference, they make the profit. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and claim you free money-making scanner templates when you sign up using our link and setting up your new PlexyTrade trading account and fund it with at least $150 and get additional bonuses. One-on-one complimentary Zoom call for 1 hour helping customize the trading strategy, trading journal, and indicators.